Hi! In this video, I'll help you to create an ice cube and add ice material to it. Let's start. We'll use the original cube. Change the mode to edit mode. Right-click on the cube and select Subdivide. From the appeared left bottom Subdivide menu, change the value of the number of cuts to 4. Change the mode to Object mode. Go to Modifier Properties. From Add Modifier, add Bevel Modifier. Change the amount value to 0.16 and change the segments value to 3. Right-click on the cube and select Shade Smooth. Go again the Add Modifier, add Displace Modifier. Click on New. And click on this right square. Change the image or movie to Voronoi. Change intensity value to 0.22. And change the size value to 0.11. Go back to the Displace Modifier parameters by clicking on Modifiers Properties and change the mid-level value to 0.119. Change the viewport shading to Material Preview from Material Properties. Change roughness value to 0. And change the IQR value to 1.309. And change the transmission value to 1. Now the material of Ice Cube appeared and we want to render it. Change the shade view to render view. Go to World Properties. Change the color type to Environment Texture. Click Open and select the Environment Texture background by double-click on it. Change the strength to available value. Select the camera and press N button on the keyboard. Select View. Then tick mark the square beside Camera to View. Click N button again, then select the camera view. Adjust the position of the camera. From Render menu, select Render Image. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.